Good day, everyone. So let's go to our next lesson video. Here we are going to add or subtract rational expressions. For number 1, we have x over x plus 1 plus 2 over x plus 1. Now, they are similar rational expressions, similar because they have the same denominators. So, we simply add the numerators. So, x over x plus 1 plus 2 over x plus 1, we get 2 plus x over x plus 1. Number 2, we have rational expressions that are clearly dissimilar because they have different denominators. So, we will be looking for the least common denominator, just like when we are dealing with pure numbers. We have 4x squared minus 9y squared. We factor this to prime factors. So we have 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y as factors for 4x squared minus 9y squared. This is a difference of two squares. Now for 2x plus 3y, we have 2x plus 3y as its prime factor. The factors would be 1 on itself. 2x minus 3y, the same. The factors would be 1 on itself. Now, for the LCD, we get 1 2x minus 3y here. We get 1 2x plus 3y here. So, this will be the LCD. We don't have to expand or multiply the rational expressions in the LCD. We simply use them to make our fractions to be added and subtracted as similar. Now, we have the first 3 plus x over the factors of the difference of two squares and exactly our LCD. So, we simply multiply by 1 over 1. Now, for 5x plus 1 over 2x plus 3y, that requires us to have 2x minus 3y to be multiplied to 2x plus 3y so that we can get our LCD. Now, for the other one, we have 2x minus 3y as the denominator. We must be able to multiply this by 2x plus 3y to get our LCD. Now, the same, we multiply numerator to numerator of the fractions that we multiply, so as of the second terms and to the third terms. Now, we have this as we expand. 3 plus x plus, when we multiply 5x plus 1 and 2x minus 3y, we get this one. Okay, 10x squared plus 2x minus 15xy minus 3y. Minus, when we multiply this, 7x squared plus 4 and 2x plus 3y, we will get this one. And then we multiply negative 1 because there is negative 1 here. Negative 1 here. We multiply here. And negative 1 times negative 1 here. And then negative 1 here. And then negative 1 here. So what we get is this. Now we add or subtract like terms. Now we have x, we have 2x, we have negative 8x. So, x plus 2x, 3x, minus 8x, that is negative 5x. So we have negative 5x. The same with pure number 3, no other number there. So we have positive 3 here. Now for the x cube, okay, for the x cube, we have negative 14x cube. There is no other to add or subtract. So We have negative 14x cubed. Then we have 10x squared. Looking for another term, similar term for 10x squared. No other. So we have 10x squared. We also have negative 21x squared y here because we have negative 21x squared y. So we have negative 21x squared y. No other term to add. Now we have negative 15xy, negative 15xy, no other term to add or subtract. Then we have negative 15y from negative 15y. Negative 12y minus 3y, so negative 15y. And then, the denominator would be the LCD. Okay, so we have now the exercises. Multiply, divide the following, simplify your answer. So you may try some of this. And that for this, you are going to add and subtract also for part B. You may try some of this. Thank you. And this is Dr. Job Domingo for listening in our discussions about rational expressions.